Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2016 Honda CR-V EX. This vehicle is all-wheel drive. Let's take a quick look at the exterior, and then we'll see what this vehicle has to offer. This vehicle comes with power mirrors, windows, and locks. It has a comfortable 5-passenger interior, power seating, and a sunroof up top. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It has a side view camera along with a rear view camera. The rear view camera has 3 different viewing modes. This is the wide view, normal view, and top-down view. Bluetooth connectivity, FM and AM radio stations, USB inputs, CD player, smartphone connection, HDMI inputs. It also has dual climate control, so the driver and the passenger can set their own temperatures. It has push-to-start engine, heated seating, and many more great features.